Hello, Ma. Mama. Mama. Mama, hello. Mama. Mama. Asan na kayo? Andito kami. Hello, Ma. Mama. Asan na kayo?
Sabi?
Wala. Ma. Asan na kayo, banda? Andito kami sa labas. Domestic arrival. Ma. Ano ba to? Bini ba to? Mama, hello.
Hello.
Asan na kayo? Yes, ma. Asan na kayo?
Palabas na kami.
Labas na. Okay. Andito kami sa...
Labas ng domestic.
Okay. Labasan po kami ng domestic, ha? Ha? Ma. Domestic. Okay? Sige, sige.
Oo, basta kayo ah. Basta kayo sa Terminal 3.
Andito na kami sa Terminal 3. Andito na kami.
It's almost, it's under it. Malapit na siya sa shoes ko. I should get it, but he's just run.
Where is he? Where is he? Where's the bird? I hope this lens could see it. Nope. It doesn't. It's blurry. I'm not a friendly animal, you know. Ayun na sila, Jeannie. Palapit na sila. Diyan na si mga papa.
I hate it. Kung ba sila mama and papa?
Hi! Ay, naku! Mama, are you okay? Oh, ayan na. Oh,
That's why I want to be a vet.
what? What do you want to be?
I want to be a vet.
Why do you want to be a vet?
It's all animals. I wanted like Coyote Peterson. You know?
But he's not a vet.
I know. So yung guy on the job, Coyote Peterson. I want that. But dito ang init.
Because we're in the heat of the sun.
Wala papa. Creation.
Wala na yung bird mo.
It's not my bird. It's just friendly. I almost got it 2 times. One on the desk of the police, and 2 my shoes. Pero ang bilis naman kasi mag-jump.
You know, the problem is you're not a vet anymore, Jeannie. You're just there to help the bird.
Yeah. To survive, you know.
Ayun na. Whoop! Oh.
Always, I owe one.
Follow Tito Imar!
Malawat na. Uy. Let me see. Ha? I want to get it. Kasi ayaw nyo.
Kasi, it's going to die naman eh.
No, it's not. Pag kinuha mo, hindi naman siya magdaday. So, mama, kasi patayin yung bird na.
Oo, gusto ko siya mapatay.
Sama mo talaga.
It's dead. You can't save
Mama,
the
kain tayo. Makakain tayo.
Sa labas?
Makto! Okay,
Why they're not letting us eat here? Where in fact, there are a lot of restaurants.
hi, it's boring. There's no McDo. If there's a McDo, I will go there.
It's McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Pusan.
Yeah,
Yo.
McDonald's. Why do you hate the birds? I have one question. Why do you hate the birds?
I had the bird once, and I killed it.
Because you're crazy when you was a little kid. You always kill all the animals.
I never killed the animals, they died.
Why? Bakit? Your bunny, you put it on the bowl on the CR and you put it like that. You're super crazy. Ano yan?
Kamusta ang bakasyon mo? Saya-saya nag-spa kayo sa waterfalls, nag-ice cream, nag-buko, pinapakikita ko.
Tamo na sa sandal ha. Hawakan mo to, ano?
Opo.
Hawakan mo to.
Ayan, ganyan lang muna ha.
Okay po.
Parang gagalaw. 1, 2,